Welcome to Decor Ideas. In today's video, we're diving into an inspiring design trend, brutalism meets minimalism, where raw materials and clean aesthetics merge to transform your living room into a modern haven. If you're passionate about elevating your interiors, make sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below with your favorite design tip. Let's get started. Brutalism and minimalism may seem like opposites, but their shared love for simplicity and authenticity makes them the perfect pair. Brutalism embraces raw, industrial elements like concrete and steel, while minimalism thrives on decluttering and functional design. Together, they create a space that's bold yet serene. The color palette is foundational in this design approach. Opt for neutral shades like grays, whites, and earthy tones. Add depth with muted blacks or soft taupes to balance the starkness of brutalism with the calming essence of minimalism. Keep it cohesive for a polished look. Materials are the heart of this aesthetic. Think exposed concrete walls, steel frames, and wooden accents. These elements bring a sense of ruggedness while maintaining warmth. Introduce texture through natural fabrics like linen or wool for your cushions and rugs. When selecting furniture, focus on clean lines and practical designs. Low-profile sofas, minimalist coffee tables, and multifunctional furniture pieces are key. Choose items that enhance functionality without overwhelming the space. Lighting plays a transformative role. Incorporate industrial-style lighting fixtures like pendant lights with exposed bulbs. Use natural light to your advantage by keeping window treatments minimal or using sheer curtains to soften the space. Accents should complement, not dominate. Go for abstract sculptures, geometric vases, or monochrome art pieces. Stick to a less is more approach. Every piece should have a purpose and align with the room's theme. Bringing in greenery is a great way to soften the raw edges of brutalism. Opt for potted plants with architectural shapes, such as snake plants or monstera. Their vibrant green tones contrast beautifully with the neutral backdrop. For flooring, polished concrete, natural stone, or light would work exceptionally well. Rugs in neutral tones or with subtle geometric patterns can add warmth and visual interest without clashing with the minimalist design. If your living room merges with other areas, use brutalist design to define zones. For example, a concrete partition or a distinct rug can separate the seating area from the dining space, ensuring both cohesion and functionality. By blending the raw authenticity of brutalism with the serene elegance of minimalism, you can create a living room that's modern, inviting, and uniquely yours. Which idea resonated most with you? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Decor Ideas, and hit the notification bell for more interior design inspiration. See you next time.